What's going on, guys? We're in the garage with the slash 4x4 today because it's warm in here and cold outside and the window that won't focus. Today we're playing with this. We had a video hopefully last weekend with the Tenacity DB Pro. This is the same day, so now we're going to go run this car in the exact same conditions to compare them to each other and maybe overlay them on top and see how it goes. Get an idea of which one's faster and better, at least on the snow here, because this may have an advantage with no center differential, so it can put power down faster. Anyway, we'll skip that. We'll go outside and play, because that's what people are here for. Alright, we're going to need to try that again. We'll just run back and we'll hit it again really quick. I take that back, we're stuck. Victory! Times 3 feet when I did with the DB Pro, and we apparently can. This thing's definitely a lot looser on the ground than that is. Jump a couple more times. See if we can actually do this correctly for once. I just lost all of my talent between the DB Pro and this. It's gonna be up on video now. All right, let's and we'll assume the position and start doing some laps. Okay, here we go. We'll run some laps with the slashes and try and sync this up to the DB Pro. In 3, 2, 1, go. A lot more snow on the track than there was last night. night, this was driving like it's in Indiana range and way faster than I've ever been in the Slash. Right now there's a fresh motor on the track, so it's a little bit slower. Silence would be attempting to focus to keep this thing under control because so far, holy crap, this is much harder to drive in the snow than that Tenacity is. My first like actual clean lap driving this damn thing. Much harder to control. Like the center diff apparently doesn't works wonders for keeping it level on the ground here. But definitely Tenacity seems to jump quite a bit better. And there's one. Oh, we're high centered. We gotta go fix that. Okay, this is the last thing I did with this Tenacity. We'll just slash around in here, kind of like we were with the DB Pro. And see how different they end up handling. The DB Pro definitely look a lot cooler. And we're beached. Get stuck, claw your way out. Okay, we'll try and hit it. Well then. Okay, we'll go catch that. I guess there's a general comparison to how they drive on uneven ground. So with that, thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one. Hopefully you enjoyed this comparison.